Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a PDF document to PDF oblique A format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and here you will find this convert option, this menu bar, choose it, and this is PDF oblique A format, simply select as output and the setting option. Here you can change this PDF by A-2b format, and there are various format, 1A format, 1B format, and so on. As there is a 2B format, default format. Select OK, and you can save this output folder, source folder, or you can select SSV folder and select source folder. Now select OK and open. Already converted as by PDF by A format, and see this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.